The animated film Nurjatsu, adapted from a Chinese mythological tale, continues to weave its own legend. In the film, the Tide Control Pillar, a supreme treasure of the Dragon Kings of the Four Seas, is plunged into the ocean floor to suppress demon clans beneath the sea. The Dujiangyan irrigation system, located in China's Sichuan, has been functioning effectively for over 2,000 years, which is a true marvel. Behind this grand engineering project is a secret hidden beneath the water, plays the role of the Tide Control Pillar. The Dujiangyan irrigation system has been able to nourish the land of abundance for nearly 2,300 years. Thanks not only to the wisdom of the Chinese people, but also to the relay of annual repairs that transcend eras. Guardians of Dujiangyan from different dynasties, during the dry season each winter, would dredge the inner river of Dujiangyan. This happens year after year, hence the term annual repair. The key to this annual repair lies in the underwater iron bars, regarded as the tide control pillars. According to the three-character classic of Dujiangyan water control, there's a phrase called dredging the shoals thoroughly. But how deep should the dredging go? The iron bars serve as the standard for determining the dredging depth. If the dredging is too shallow, as the riverbed rises, the water flow into the Chengdu Plain will be reduced, which can lead to drought. If the dredging is too deep, as the riverbed lowers, a drastic increase in water flow into the Chengdu Plain will be caused, easily triggering floods. The iron bars act as the marker for dredging the inner river shoals. Dredging until the iron bars are exposed indicates that the riverbed depth is just right and the water flow is stable. This ensures the water safety of the Chengdu Plain and maintains the sustainable development of the entire irrigation system. Currently, the 4 authentic underwater iron bars are buried in the riverbed at Fengqinghua in the inner river of Dujiangyan, approximately 1.8 meters below the riverbed surface. They have a long cylindrical shape, about 4 meters in length, with a diameter ranging from around 0.16 meters to 0.2 meters. How heavy are these iron bars exactly? According to historical records, each iron bar weighs about 600 kilograms. The inscriptions on the iron bars are emblematic of an ironclad covenant, enabling generations of Li beings to reach a tacit understanding of passing the baton to safeguard our shared homeland. Their merit benefits the present, and their legacy endures for millennia. Much like the tide control pillar in Chinese mythology, the iron bars embody Chinese romanticism as they bridge past and present.